Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover lost funds with PayPal step by step clearly. To begin the process of recovering lost funds with PayPal, start by logging into your PayPal account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Activity tab located at the top of the page. This section displays all your recent transactions, both incoming and outgoing. Locate the transaction that you believe has resulted in lost funds. Click on this specific transaction to view more details about it. On the Transaction Details page, look for an option that says Report a Problem or Dispute. Clicking this option will take you to the Dispute Resolution Center. You may need to choose a reason for the dispute, such as unauthorized use or a transaction that was not delivered. Follow the prompts on the screen to provide any necessary details and evidence to support your claim. Once you've submitted your dispute, PayPal will review the information provided. Make sure to check your email regularly for any updates or requests for additional information from PayPal. If needed, prepare and submit any additional documents or evidence requested by PayPal during their investigation. After the review process is complete, you will receive a notification regarding the outcome of your dispute. If PayPal rules in your favor, the lost funds will typically be refunded back to your original payment method. In the case of an unfavorable outcome, you may have the option to appeal the decision. To keep track of your claim, revisit the Resolution Center section in your PayPal account. This area will provide updates on the status of your dispute and any further actions required on your part. Patience is essential throughout this process, as investigations can take time. By following these steps diligently, you increase your chances of successfully recovering lost funds through PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.